boys, after completing part C, we will move toward part D, that is dash must be added to 100,050 to make it 102,550. Okay, if I ask you to make only this 100 into 102, how will you tell teacher what you will add? Very good. You will take their difference. You will tell teacher only 2 will be added. So what we are going to do here, also we are taking the difference. This is the bigger value. This is the bigger value, boys, 102,550, and this is the smaller values, boys, that is 100,050. So we will take difference. We will write bigger value on the first place, okay, and smaller value in the second place in the second line. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 minus 0 is 2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is our answer? 2,500. What we have to add? 2,500 in 100,050 to make it 102,550. So boys, let's move toward our next blank, that is 49,396 minus dash equals to 10,086. In the blank C, I have told you how we can do. We can check. If I subtract 10 from 49, it will be 39. So I can subtract these two to find this. Okay, I can subtract these two to find this. So boys, let's do it. Okay, if I subtract, if I know it is 39, 49 minus 39 will be 10. So let's do it over here. You can see it. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. 9 minus 0 is 9. And 4 minus 1 is 3. It is 39,310 when it will get subtracted from 49,396. Our answer will be 10,086. You can check it. When you subtract these two, you will get this answer. When you subtract these two, you will get this answer. Class 4, our next question is state whether the following are true or false. So here what we have to do, we cannot simply write true or false. We have, because we are doing math, we have to check what does it mean. We have to add these three values to see if it is 943 or not. So here you can see 375, this is 375, this is also 405, 504, 163, 361. So we have to add from the right hand side. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 3. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 4. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Yes, it is 943. So it is true. So boys, let's move toward our next part, that is 400 more than 69,843 will be 69,443. Okay, so what does it mean? We have to add this in this, because is means equals to, and this is the answer. Let's do the more than solution. That means we have to add, this is 69,843. Let's add it. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. So it is, so boys, it is 70,243. It is false. Okay, we will write false. And here you can also see more than means we have to add, but here it is less, so it is subtracted. So that's why it is false. Let's move toward our next sum, that is 7,000 less than 897,536 is. So it means we have to subtract 7,000 from this value, and we will check is our answer this or not. First we will write 897,536, and then we will write 7,000 from right hand side to left hand side, and then we will write minus sign. Here you can see I have Done in the rough work column. 6 minus 0 is 6. 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 7 is 0. 9 minus nothing is 9. 8 minus nothing is 8. It is 89,000, 890,536. And you can see it is the same as this. So it is true. Let's move toward our next part, that is Asif has rupees 895,123. Fahad has 896,012. Here you can say it is 6 and it is 5. So what we have to do, we have to compare who has more money. Okay, compare. Like you stand with your friend and see who is taller. So like this. I have written A equals to the value A has 895,123. Then I have written F 896,012. Here you can see which has more. Is 5 more or 6? Yes, 6 is more. This one is more. So it is Fahad. Fahad has more money than Asif. Yes, it is true. Fahad has more money. So now boys, we are on our last sum of the question number 2. Anas spent rupees 728,000 to purchase a car. 728,000. Salman bought a car. Bought also mean he buy. Okay. A car for rupees 725,555. Salman paid more money for his purchase. We have to check. We have to compare those. This is 728,000. This is 725,000. So here you can see I have written A for Anas, S for Salman, and 8 is bigger or 5? 8 is bigger. Okay. So here you can see boys, 8 is greater and 5 is smaller. So who spend more money? Anas. Sorry, it is Anas. Who spend more money? Anas. And who spend less money? Salman. So they are saying Salman paid more money. Can it be possible? This is 25 is bigger or 28? So boys, it is false. Okay. Your classwork for today is do question number 1 and 2 of exercise 1B on book. And your homework is do question number 3 of exercise 1B on book. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me in the comment section.